Now, one of the advantages to having internal social media tools is the ability to discuss things that happen externally before you actually respond to them. So what do I mean by that? Sort of a hybrid model of taking your external information, so your engagement with your customers, and bringing it internally. So for example, if someone posts a comment on your blog, in the past what people would do is they would monitor that blog via something like an RSS feed or even perhaps manually. Now what you can do is you can take that event from the blog, broadcast it internally into your social media stream, so say like an activity stream or a microblogging stream. And that can happen automatically depending on what tool you're using. Then people inside can discuss that. You can say, hey, did anybody notice this is what customer so-and-so asked about or what they said about us? You can get feedback from various people in the company. You can say, oh, well, we should tell them that the next version is going to solve this. Or someone in support could say, oh, we've already got a fix for that. Let's just make sure to get that to them in the next release, etc. You can have a conversation around something that happened externally. Then, armed with the correct answer, you can go back to that external source, like a blog, and provide that feedback. Same thing could happen with what people are saying about you on Twitter or Facebook. You take that information, you broadcast it internally via connections to your internal social media, discuss it with your colleagues securely and privately before you respond, and then once you finally give a response to a customer externally, you're confident in the answer that you're giving is really what you want to be saying. So very powerful concept. Bridge sort of the external or internal world, call it sort of a hybrid social media, external communities, internal communities, and you'll have the right answer and the right feedback to make sure you're responding to your customers correctly.